Good morning, everyone. Myself, Jyoti Sinha, Assistant Professor in Home Science. Today I am going to take class on the topic food and nutrition. Food and nutrition are essentials for maintaining good health and to prevent disease. The basis of nutrition is food. Nutrition is the study of food in relation to health. Food and nutrition are the way that we get fuel, providing energy for our bodies. Now, what is food? Food is what people and animals eat to survive. Food usually comes from animals and plants. It is taken by living things to provide energy and nutrition. Food contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins or minerals. Food and nutrition, in food and nutrition, first I've told you what is food. Now next come what is nutrition. Food is what? Food, whatever things we eat, that is food. Now nutrition is the science that interprets the nutrients and other substances in food in relation to maintenance, growth, reproduction, health and disease of an organism. In nutrition, there are some essential substance that is very useful for our body, that is called nutrients. Nutrients are the compounds in food essential to life and health, providing us with energy, the building blocks for repair and growth of tissues and substances, energy necessary to regulate chemical process. There are 6 major nutrients. Nutrients are very essential substance in our body. There are 2 types of nutrients. First is macronutrients and second is micronutrients. Macronutrients, it includes carbohydrates, lipids or fats, proteins, and in micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. So first I am going to deal with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are chemical compounds that contain only oxygen, hydrogen and carbon. Certain carbohydrates are an important storage and transport form of energy in most organisms, including plants and animals. Majority of carbohydrates, not all, have the empirical formula CH2O under bracket N. Now classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are divided into 4 types: monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. The 3 main types of carbohydrates are sugar, starches and fiber. They are called simple or complex based on their chemical makeup. Mono means 1, while di means 2, and saccharides means sugar. Fruit sugar and table sugar are common. Example of mono and disaccharides: respectively. Carbohydrates with 3 or more sugar units fall in the category of complex carbohydrates. Starch are typical example of polysaccharides. Now, function of carbohydrates. What are the functions of carbohydrates? First, it gives energy and feeling of fullness. It gives energy and feeling of fullness. Means पेट भर गया. Increase the bulk of our body. Third is spare proteins to perform other functions. Help to make the food tasty. It helps in metabolism of fat. It stops constipation. It controls and maintains body temperature. So all these are the functions of carbohydrates. Now, what are the deficiencies of carbohydrates? If we do not have proper carbohydrates in our body, the optimum requirement of carbohydrates in the body, then body gets no energy. The central nervous system suffers. The supply of hormone serotonin is not adequate, and person may suffer depression. Due to lack of carbohydrate, muscles burn and headache begin. Muscle burn and headache begins. Now, what are the symptoms of lack of carbohydrates in body? Fatigue, weakness, becomes inactive, constipation, dizziness, and hypoglycemia. Now, what are the sources of carbohydrates? Sources of carbohydrates are bread, beans, milk, dry fruits, honey, fig, banana, potatoes, rajma, rice, wheat, maize, sugar, jaggery, oat. Now, what are the daily allowance of carbohydrates? According to FDA, the daily value for carbohydrates is 300 grams per day when eating 2000 calorie diet for all age groups and sexes. So today I have taught you what is carbohydrates. Now it is your duty assignment to find out what is FDA, the full form of FDA, then what is hypoglycemia. What is hypoglycemia, and describe the structure, classification, source and function of carbohydrates. Then define food, nutrition and nutrients. After that, next class I will take fat. If you all have any question to ask, you can ask. Thank you.